Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen issue, right? What we're going to do is button combinations, right? The volume up with the power button and the volume down with the power button. So we're going to try these two first. Hold them, and you want to ensure that your phone is charged up as well. At times you can see a light in the corner there, so we are holding, we are not getting anything. And what you can do to ensure that your phone is actually working is actually use a USB cable, and it should detect via your computer. Then you can also try, as you hold the volume down and the power, you will feel the phone vibrated. Then you just release all the buttons and it should come on. The screen should be showing. So if you have a black screen issue like this, then this video is for you. If it's something more severe, it can be a motherboard problem or something. But if it happens that sometimes you see the notification, you hear that messages are coming on your phone, you wanna do a force restart. Just the volume down and the power. Also, if that did not work, you can try the volume up and the power button as well. So do check those out, and then if it did not work as well, you can do so while plugging in your charger. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.